Hello everyone, welcome to this video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we are looking into a new model called Fashion V-Tone V1.5. It is provided by Fashion.ai, and from this image, you can see that it is a virtual try-on model. That means you have a person image and a garment image. The garment is applied on the person image in photorealistic sense by this model, and you can see how accurate it seems. So let's first try the model. I have created a small demo application using Next.js as a front end and Python as a backend. So let's see the working of this model. First, I'll add my own photo here, and I want to replace this t-shirt. It doesn't look good. So I'll get a t-shirt photo, and you need to select the category of the garment. So since this is top, I'll select tops and then hit generate try on. So this will run the simulation, and I have set 30 epochs for the simulation. So it can take around 10 to 20 seconds to generate the final image of this t-shirt on my image, and you can see the results here. This t-shirt is on my image. Yeah, there is this thing was not rendered correctly, but I think that is acceptable. Now let's see what are the things we need in order to use this model. This model has a Hugging Face page as well, and if I show you the size of the model is just 2 GB, you can run the model locally as well without GPU. This model works with two other models. One, this DW pose, this identifies the pose, and this Fashion Human Parser. This model basically generates masks for background, clothes, accessories, and things like that. And if I show you, there are like 17 different label definitions are provided. This Fashion V-Tone, with the help of DW pose and Fashion Human Parser, are clubbed into this GitHub repository, and these three things help you virtually put any garment on a human image. And let's see a few amount of code. In order to run the application, what you need to do, you need to download a couple of models. First, this DW pose models. There are two, DW2U Coco 384 ONNX version and YOLO X ONNX version. Then there is this Fashion V-Tone model safe tensor. It requires Python 3.12.11, and very quickly I will show you how you can interface the model. So there is this pipeline, try on pipeline, that you need to create. Once you create the pipeline, you can use the pipeline to generate the final result, and then you do some processing on the final result, and you can have the virtual try on image. So I guess this is it from my side for this video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video. The application that I have shown in this video is available on my GitHub, and the link of it is in the description of the video. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.